Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair review from Heraremy. I got this box today, so I'm gonna open it up with you guys so you can see that I never opened it before. So this is my first impressions. I got, in this, the hair is from Heraremy. Yeah, box is pretty nice. I've gotten hair from them about maybe, this is my third wig from them. So I'm opening the wig up for the first time with you guys. Don't mind my voice. It's cracked today. And I'm gassy as hell. Okay, too much information. But this wig is Ariel in the color 1. I actually didn't even remember what color I had got. So I was surprised just like you. Okay, so I'm reviewing this wig and it's 38 to 40 inches long. But if I'm mistaken, I'll just put it in the description bar below. This hair is long AF. It's long, very long. And it's kind of soft because compared to what I've heard the reviews, some people say that it's like very tangly and rough or whatever. But this is the longest wig I've ever had. Okay, so let's go with the construction. Okay, so it has 2 combs right here. I don't know if you can, want to make sure you can see. Okay, so it has 2 combs here in the front bottom part. You have a comb in the back, and you have these adjustable straps, which I never really need to adjust because I have a big head. So putting my fingers through it, just testing it out, and it seems to be very soft. No issues. No tangling, because I would see it on my floor, and I'm rubbing my fingers in there like pretty good. So I have some spray. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back, and for some reason I can't find the spray, but it didn't come in the packaging. It was just something that you can get from the company, and for some reason I don't see it. I prepared it, but my daughter came down and she was just patting away. She got I gave her a new weave, so she just been patting. So anyway, it comes with this little bitty space for parting, which is reasonable because people usually just put like either a middle part or a side part, but I think this one is actually made just to go like in the middle. And I've seen people review this wig in particular, and most of them have revamped it and like cut it basically. So I'm not sure if I want to cut it now, but I probably will cut it in the future because this is synthetic hair and sometimes it gets tangled over time, so usually from the bottom. So this is how it is. It's a nice little wave pattern. It's soft. It doesn't have a bad smell. It just smells like Barbie doll hair, which doesn't really smell bad. What Barbie doll stinks? Like, there's no such thing. So anyway, I'm gonna try this wig on for you guys. I just snatched off the one that I had on so that I can put this on for you. I do have leftover adhesive. This is what do you call it? The Esha on my forehead. from the wig that I just snatched off. And I didn't clean off my forehead or anything because there's not really any lace, you know, that you have to lay down. So here goes. Oh, wait a minute.
Okay, one thing I can say is that the lace is kind of hard, like, or whatever you call around the edges. It's kind of like hard, but it's not unbearable. I'm trying to secure it in the back with this comb so that it won't move, but overall, it's really pretty. This hair is so long. This is mad long. It's at my, like, it's on my thigh. It's mad long. You already know it's past my butt. Past the bottom of my butt. Way past the bottom of my butt. But it's very pretty. This is the longest install I've ever done. But I like it. It's pretty. It's not like dry looking. It has like a little shine to it, but it's not bad. It comes with its own baby hairs, and that's a plus because usually you have to make your own baby hairs. So probably what I would do for styling is split it down the middle in the back and pull it forward, and then maybe just to keep it pretty with the pattern, I would probably braid it, and I'm gonna do it on camera. Separate it 3 times in order to make the braid, but yeah. I kind of thought of getting like a different color because I'm so used to getting black hair, so I wanted to get something different, but I mean, this is cool. It's kind of in my comfort zone because I'm always getting black, but they was out of all the other colors. I think they had 99J, some type of brown, and like brown with highlights. They had the 613, and something else. So this hair, it actually just came today, so me and you actually opened it up together and looked for the first time. So braiding your hair when you receive it, you know, just like what I'm doing, will actually keep the curl pattern or maybe even make it better. So that's what I'm actually trying to do now. Oh, if you wondering where I got my shirt from, I like the Minions, and I got it from this 99-cent store. I paid $1.99 for it, so it's $2 plus tax. So yeah, I got this one and another one that I'll show in another video. And then I had bought my son one. He got like a black t-shirt and it had Shaq on it, Duncan, so he liked it. I'm almost finished. This braid is taking forever. It is about 40 inches. You can see me better. This one next, and I'm going to make sure that I do it on camera, but while I'm braiding, I probably will be silent. I don't know if I'm going to speed it up or not, but please be mindful that I did just get this iPhone XR, and I'm starting to actually like get used to it, and I'm learning different things on how to edit on iMovie, so give me some time, but I'm learning pretty fast. Now that I'm braiding, I see a little bit of hair that's like kind of off. That's it. But I don't think there's a way that I'm going to be walking outside with all this hair. This is probably literally too much hair. Especially like morenas, they're not used to having this much hair. I shouldn't be yanking it like that, but if you like was to like try to straighten this hair out, I believe that it would be like too thin for my liking, but I don't know. that's it for now. Yeah, my name is Adele, if you don't know, and I would like for you to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, share this video with somebody that you think might want to get this wig. Why not? This wig is cute, it's long, it's soft, it's versatile. You can wear it probably up to a bottom ponytail probably, and maybe to a high ponytail because of the way that they constructed it. You can wear it down, you can straighten it up to, I believe, 360 degrees. So, I don't know, I might try to see what I could do, then you can probably, like, cut it a little bit if it's too long for your liking. I don't know, but I like it, I recommend it, go buy it. It's less than $30, so go get your coins. Later!